learner. I am Rekha from KalpaTharu Consulting. Software projects, or rather, I would say, knowledge work projects has uncertainty in their requirements and the environment is dynamic. The traditional predictive method was not suitable for software projects. Traditional predictive method is suitable when the scope is very clear and hence you can develop the complete project plan at the start of the project. And due to this reason, in 2001, few software engineers unhappy of the predictive project management methodology in managing their software projects came up with a new project management methodology called Agile. Agile is the ability to create and respond to change. These software engineers came up with 4 values and 12 principles as the foundation for Agile methodology. So in this video, we are going to see the first 4 principles, and in the following videos, you will see the second set of 4 principles and then the final set of 4 principles. So now let us dive into the first Agile principle. Our highest priority is to satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. I repeat, the first Agile principle is our highest priority is to satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. This is the first principle, placing satisfying customer at the top of everything else. So how do you satisfy the customer? By providing early delivery. In traditional predictive method, the development cycle is longer and the product is developed at the end of the project, be it in 3 months or 3 years. But in Agile, the product is developed or rather delivered in increments in short cycles between 1 to 4 weeks. This helps the customer have an early return on investment, ROI. Customers are able to see value for their investment much earlier. The deliverables are provided in short intervals and continuously. The last part of the principle is valuable software, meaning the customer gets what the customer wants and what is usable based on the customer priority. So the first Agile principle is our highest priority is to satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. I hope you got it. Second Agile principle, welcome changing requirements even late in development. Agile processes harness change for the customer's competitive advantage. Let me repeat the second Agile principle. Welcome changing requirements even late in development. Agile processes harness change for customers' competitive advantage. In a predictive method, changes are not encouraged, and even if there is a change, tedious change management process have to be religiously followed. But in the case of software projects, where the requirements are uncertain and the scope and the project environment is dynamic, changes are expected. Hence, changes are always welcome, even if it is at the last minute. We need to consider the changing market condition and for the competitive advantage of the customer rather than being fixed with predefined scope. The project team will be guided by customer feedback to achieve the strategic goal. So the second Agile principle is welcome changing requirements even late in development. Agile processes harness change for the customer's competitive advantage. Now, Let us look into the third Agile principle. Deliver working software frequently from a couple of weeks to a couple of months with a preference to the shorter time scale. So let me repeat. Deliver working software frequently from a couple of weeks to a couple of months with a preference to the shorter time scale. Agile is in favor of breaking the entire product development into smaller components and deliver it to the customer frequently so the customer can start using the product. Hence, short-term development cycles of smaller portion of the product. The short development cycle is generally called as sprints or iterations. The time frame is generally between 2 to 4 weeks. Hence, there is frequent and continuous delivery of the product in small chunks. The benefit is when you're able to deliver the product in small parts, you can validate the product with the customer frequently and implement the changes quickly and cost effectively. There is better return on investment, ROI. Can adapt to the changing needs and changing market condition. So the third Agile principle is deliver working software frequently from a couple of weeks to a couple of months with a preference to the shorter time scale. I hope you are able to follow me till now. Now let us move into the fourth Agile principle. Business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. Let me repeat the fourth Agile principle. Business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. There should be collaboration between the business people, that is the clients, and the developers. Here, the developer means the working team. You can replace the developers with designers, engineers, or any role played by the people who are executing the project. The principle defines that there should be daily interaction, and if not practically possible to have a daily interaction, to have interaction as frequently as possible. This daily or regular interactions helps the business people to convey the business need, the changing environment, and challenges to help the team to understand the priority of the project. Developers, that is the working people, working team, can update the business people, that is the clients, on any challenges, better, effective, and cost-effective alternative solutions for the business requirements. Regular interaction reduces the miscommunication between both the parties. It enhances collaboration and cooperation between the business and the working team. So the fourth Agile principle is business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. I believe you were able to understand the first four Agile principles. Meet you soon with the next set of 4 Agile principles. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, do like and subscribe to our channel for regular knowledge sharing. Thank you.